Withings Smart Baby Monitor device. High-resolution video for a crisp, clear image. The Withings Smart Baby Monitor lets you monitor your baby from any location using your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Its wide-angle, 3-megapixel camera gives you clear, high-resolution pictures of your baby's room. While virtual pan-tilt zoom technology lets you navigate the room with a touch of the screen. You can talk to your baby while watching him on the screen or launch a lullaby from iPhone. Automatic alerts let you know immediately when your baby fusses or cries, whether you're at home, at a friend's, or traveling abroad. The Smart Baby Monitor's high-resolution video sensor with image stabilization allows you to see every detail of your baby's room. And with pan-tilt zoom, PTZ, technology. You can move virtually around the nursery. Just slide your finger like you would on a web page to get a full view of your child's room. Non-deterioration 4x zoom and a pinch zoom effect, which works just like on your iPhone, lets you keep an eye on your child's surroundings at all times. The monitor also comes equipped with a multicolor night light. Choose a color from your iPhone or use a handy button on the monitor itself. Equipped with 2 microphones to give you clear, uninterrupted sound when listening to your baby. With the free With Baby app, available for download at the Apple App Store, you can keep one ear on your child as you go about your day. Once you launch the app on your phone, it will remain running in the background. Use the Smart Baby Monitor to interact with your baby. The monitor's built-in speaker lets you play a nursery rhyme, or comfort your baby with a few reassuring words. A secure connection between your iPhone and the monitor provides clear, interference-free sound. A touchscreen on the monitor allows you to control volume and start or stop a lullaby. With Baby app allows you to be notified on smartphone when there are changes in noise, movement, temperature, or humidity in baby's room. Alert thresholds are configurable from the app. The Smart Baby Monitor allows you to monitor your baby from any location. Your iPhone can connect to the monitor over Wi-Fi at home or at work and over 3G on the street. It can also be connected via Ethernet cable or via Bluetooth in locations without an internet connection. Bluetooth range up to 164 feet. Excellent product. Easy to install and use. It works so well. To purchase Withings Smart Baby Monitor, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads in the future, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.